This Squarespace tutorial video is going to walk you through adding or editing links on your website. This video will be applicable to you if you are on a Squarespace website, even though I am logged into my own website at 19design.net. This will hold true for your own Squarespace site. Squarespace recently updated their menu options, and you now have 5 different link choices. So I'm going to walk you through each of those types of links. I am logged into my website and I am on a training page, but you would just navigate to any page that you want to add a link to. Once you are on the page, here on the left, the page will display on the right. Click Edit to enter editing mode. We know that we are in editing mode because as we move our cursor around the page, we see that we have different types of blocks available to us, and we are working within a text block. The first thing I want to do is demonstrate how to link to a web address or an external link that takes a visitor from your site to another site. Once you have your content in place, we want to highlight the text that will become the link, and we want to click the link shortcut option here on the formatting text bar. It also tells you that this is the link shortcut. On a Mac, you can use Command K for this as well. Click on the link, and what we're going to want to do here is expand this window. And to make this window larger, to see all of our options, we want to click on the wheel here in the bottom right-hand corner. And then we have our full link menu. Web address is our very first option. We just want to add our new link here in the top section. We can copy and paste from another tab in our browser or type directly into this space. Whenever we link to an external website, we always want to open that tab in a new window. So we are going to toggle that option on and click Save. And we can see here that it has turned our text bold, which on my site indicates that this is a link. When we have completed all 5 types of links, we will test those. The second type of link that you can add is a link to another page on your website. And this is probably our most common type of link. So if we highlight again the text that we want to become the link, click on the link shortcut and expand our box. We're going to use the second option here that says page. When we click over here, we will automatically see a list of all of the pages on our website where we can link to. And we just want to choose a page. If you're like me and you have lots and lots of pages on your website, you can also type the first letter of the page into this box and it will sort your list for you. So I could link right over here to domain FAQ. We do not need to open this in a new window since they will be staying on our site, and click Save. The third type of link is linking to an email address. Some people do not like to make their email addresses links. We are no longer in the days of everyone using a desktop email provider, but this is certainly up to you how you do this on your own site. In this case, I'm going to demonstrate how to link directly to an email address. So again, highlight the text you wish to become the link, click the link shortcut and expand the box and click on email. And you can complete as much or as little of this menu as you'd like. The only required field is the email address itself. So I will just type in my own email address, and I can again leave it at that. I can add an automatic subject or to CC others on emails as well. I will tell you this is a great little workaround because in Squarespace, your forms will only send to one email address. You can use this field as an option here to send a message to multiple people at one time, and click Save. The fourth link is a phone number link. I recommend linking all of your phone numbers so that this will enable the one-touch dialing on a smartphone Again, highlight the phone number. Actually, let me just go ahead and type in a phone number here. I'm going to link and expand. I'm going to click on phone, and I'm just going to copy that phone number right there and click save. And then the last type of link is a file. And this may be, for example, a PDF on your site. I always recommend linking to PDFs and not to Word documents or Excel sheets that can be altered easily. Again, highlight the name of your file, click on the link shortcut and expand the box and go down to File. Now, Squarespace will give you a list of previous files that have been linked on your website, or you can come all the way down to the bottom, click on Upload File, and it will open your computer's Finder window where you can select a PDF to link. Now, I will just kind of pick a random document here, and then we'll say Open, and it will upload the file. However, we do want to make sure then that we click on the file and we get the check mark. We want to open that file in a new window and then click Save. And there we have walked through the 5 types of links that you can add to your website. Please note that this applies to buttons as well. So if we were to insert a button, and we can alter the text, and then if we click on the wheel, we get the exact same menus. So I say that buttons are just fancy links. And of course, we can change the size and alignment of our buttons as well. But the link feature is going to work exactly like our other 5 features have worked. So we're going to save our changes, and then I'll just demonstrate that each of those works and we'll be finished. The first one, again, was the web address. So if we click, we see that Google opened in a new tab. I'm going to save the page for last. If we click on email, you'll notice that that has opened my desktop email client and going ahead and populating the email address. The phone is going to give me the option. Now I'm on a computer, so it's asking me to do it via FaceTime, but on a mobile device, we would see that that was clickable as well. And then our file here is our PDF document in a new window. And the last one to demonstrate is the page, because it's going to take me off of my training page. I'm going to click on page, and there it has taken me to another page on my website. So that is how you use the Squarespace menu to choose from 5 different types of links on your own Squarespace website.